Assalamu alaikum. I am Muhammadullah from Kudos English. In this video, we'll study simple present tense. So let's begin. Simple present tense. We use simple present to talk about habit or daily routine. For example, I work from 8 to 2. We also use simple present tense to talk about fact and laws of nature. For example, sun rises from east. I work from 8 to 2. Sun rises from east. Notice here the action verb, that is work, is in the base form here in the first example, while in the second example you see the base form of rise is rises and extra s is here. Let's understand when we use base form of the verb and when we add s or es in any verb. Alright? If the subject in case of noun is plural, then we use base form of the verb. Let's see the example. Girls like painting. In this example, verb like is in the base form. Why? Because the subject girls is plural. If the subject in case of noun is singular, then we add s or es in the base form of the verb. Let's see an example. Nidhi wakes up late for the school. In this example, Nidhi is singular. That's why we have added s in the verb. So here it will be wakes, not wake. Does that make sense? Now let's see what is the rule if the subject is a pronoun. If the subject is third person singular in case of pronoun, then we add s or es in the verb, and rest of the pronoun takes base form of the verb. Let's see few example to understand it well. I teach English. Here subject I is the first person, that's why the base form of the verb is used, teach, but not teaches. As we know, we add s or es with the base form of the verb only with the third person singular. Remember that. Alright, so that's it for today. See you next time. Till then, take care. Bye bye.